welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. And today guys, I'm going to make a plant stand or flower stand where to put the plants. And I just need to use a used materials. I don't need a new one. And I'm just gonna look at here and see what I can find. So let's go guys. Oh, that's, I think we can use it. And that one too. Bamboos. The grass are now growing so fast because few days it's always raining. Let's see what we can use here guys. So the purpose of this flower stand is that my other plants are just here in the ground, so I must put them on the stand. So I think I'm gonna put it here. So let's go guys. So guys, I finished measuring the where to put this. I just cut here in this bamboo, so I can put it here and this one. Okay guys, I'm going to fit this. So I just cut here in this bamboo, so I can put it here, and you can see that it almost has the strength to hold this stand. So as you can see, right guys, the stand fitted here. I just cut it here in this bamboo post, and so that I can put it here, and he will be the one who holds this. And as you can see, it has a strength to hold this stand. But I still put here some support so that the plants, yeah, you see, nicely done. So guys, we're done. It's simple. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I hope to see you in my next video again. Bye!